Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you're all staying healthy and hearty. It's our English class today and our topic for today is capital cursive letters. I will repeat, our topic for today is capital cursive letters. Before showing you how to write each letter, let me introduce you with few letters. This is capital cursive letter A. This is capital cursive letter B. This is capital cursive letter C. And this is capital cursive letter D. Once again, this is capital cursive letter A. This is capital cursive letter B. This is capital cursive letter C. This is capital cursive letter D. Now, before showing you how to write, let me just remind you two important things. First thing is, you have to hold your pencil properly in between your thumb and your forefinger. And the second thing is, you do not have to lift up your pencil while writing each stroke. You have to complete each stroke in one go. Now kids, I have used a notebook here to make you understand how to write each letter. Let's begin with capital cursive letter A. We begin with a curve in the middle of line and then we will move along in a slanting line. I'll show you here again. We begin with a curve in the middle of line, then we will move along in a slanting line. Then we will slope down from top red line to lower blue line and touch this lower blue line. I'll show you again here. We begin with a curve in the middle of line, then we will move along in a slanting line, then we will slope down from top red line to lower blue line and touch this lower blue line. Then we will move in a slanting line from this blue line to the opposite side and form a loop and take it out. This way our letter A is complete. Now I will write it in one go. Okay kids, now letter B. We begin with a standing line. Then we will make a loop and take it upwards to top red line. I'll show you again here. We begin with a standing line, or you call it straight line, from top red line to lower blue line. Then we'll form a loop and take it upwards. After that, we will move rightwards and form two semicircles and touch this standing line here. Again, I'll show you here. Begin with the standing line, form a loop upwards up to top red line, then make a semicircle, and then from here we'll make one more semicircle to lower blue line and curl it inside this lower semicircle. Now in one go. Right. Now letter C. We begin with a slanting line from lower blue line to top red line and make a slight curve near top red line. Again, I'll show you here. We'll begin with a slanting line from lower blue line to top red line and make a slight curve near this top red line. Then we will follow the same path and come back, form a semicircle and take it forward. Now I'll show it in one go. This is letter C. Now letter D. We will begin with the standing line and take a turn near this lower blue line. Again I'll show you. We will begin with the standing line from top red line to lower blue line. We will take a turn near this lower blue line. Again touch this lower blue line. And then we will form a reverse semicircle. Again I'll show you here. Standing line, take a turn, Form a reverse semicircle and then curl it around the standing line. Now in one go, standing line, take a turn, reverse semicircle and curl it around the standing line. So kids, today I showed you how to write letter A, letter B, letter C and letter D. You will practice these letters on 4-line notebook. Till then, I'll come up with a video with 4 more letters. Thank you.